Hey guys, it's Drea. So today I have for you a quick and dirty video. This is all for my Canadian friends. This is all about this box. This is the Gear for Girls box from Shoppers Drug Mart. They do a boys version. I bought that one too, and I'm sorry. If I would have thought about it, I wouldn't have opened it yet, but it was for my kids and my husband. They all split it up, and that's all over the house now. But this one is for me, and I did kind of take it apart and look at it. It's a little bit messy looking, but I wanted to open it with you in a video so that if you are thinking about getting this year, that you will know exactly what you're getting. Because even though there is a nice big panel in the front of it, you can't really see everything when it's in there like all packaged up. Some things are hidden. So I wanted to actually unbox this with you on camera and you can see what you're getting. So this is exclusive to Shoppers Drug Mart here in Canada. As you can see, it's $12.99 Canadian, which is an amazing value. There is so much in here, packed in here. They come out with these boxes every single year around back to school time, and it's really, I think, geared towards teenagers going back to school. But let's be honest, like everything in here practically is something that I would use, and I do use, so I pick it up for myself every year. So let's just hop into it. One of the biggest things that you'll see when you buy this is a Dove body wash. I think they're all the same. This one is the Dove Dry Oil Moisture Nourishing Body Wash. It does smell really nice. Like there's nothing like really distinctive about it other than it's just kind of a nice, you know, fresh, sweetish smell. Not Swedish, sweet-ish smell. You also get a toothbrush. This is the gum soft one. I don't know if they're all soft. There might be different colors. All the ones I saw were purple, which was nice because it's for girls. I mean, let's be honest, girls can have any color they want, but I like pink and purple things, so there you go. Also, you have a deodorant in here. This is the Degree Motion Sense Sheer Powder. I've never tried Degree before. I'm usually like only with Dove, but this is one of those kind of white stick ones, not a gel. And this just kind of has a nice non-intrusive baby powder scent to it. There's also from Gum the Professional Clean Flossers. These are those like individual flossers that you can use one time only and then throw them out. They even have like a little kind of plastic pointy bit on the end that you could use as a toothpick. So those are always nice. And there's also a mini of the Simple Cleansing Facial Wipes. There's only 7 in here, but it would be a good thing if you need to put it like in a gym bag or in your purse if there's somewhere that you need to be where you need to like take off your makeup before going on with your day. You have an individual razor here. This is the Chic Quattro and it's the U. I don't know what makes it U, but it doesn't look like this is one that has the different heads, but it has 4 blades, which usually means a close shave with not a lot of nicks. There's also some Playtex Sport Compact tampons in here. This makes it look like it's a huge box, but there's only 3 in here, so don't be fooled. This looks like it could like contain 6 to 8, which is kind of annoying for over packaging. For the most part, I think like this is packaged pretty well. Like they put a lot in this one box. They're not trying to fool you, you know what I mean, with like filler. Okay, this is from Life brand. This is the Detoxifying Mud Face Mask with charcoal and ivy. I've actually used this before and it's really nice. It's kind of like a warming mask and it's really good for like oily skin. I don't necessarily know if you would want this if you had dry skin, but it does say to do a patch test first, which is a good idea whenever you use a mask. This is a lip balm from Burt's Bees. This is the Cucumber Mint Moisturizing Lip Balm, and it's an okay scent. I'm not like super into these only because on my lips, like I like those kind of candy tasting ones, and this definitely has like a cucumber component, which I associate more with like face wash or like moisturizer. So it just depends what your preference is there, I think. There's a little Purell anti-bac in there, which is always nice. This full size, this is from Schwarzkopf Got To Be, that brand. I don't use a lot from them, but then again, I don't use a lot of hair products from the drugstore. But this is the Glam Force Sculpting Gel. I don't know how much use I'm personally going to get out of this. I don't use a lot of gel, but if you know somebody who does, even a guy, and if you don't and you want to share this, I mean, anybody can use this even though it's pink. There's also a little 10 tissue pack pack to put in your purse. I can't remember what brand this is because I ripped these open to use the other day, but there's a 3-pack of hair ties. I cannot remember who these are from, maybe Goody or something like that. And then the last thing is this. This again is from Got To Be. This is the Powderful Volumizing Styling Powder. Now I will say this. The other day when I bought this, I really wanted to open this and use this because I thought it was dry shampoo. This is not dry shampoo. My hair was really dirty and I put this in. It's like a powder. It comes out of this little X and it is a volumizer. It makes your hair a little bit sticky and it gives it volume. So if that's something you want, then great. But if your hair's dirty, it does the opposite. It just made it look dirtier. So it is not a dry shampoo, but that's a volumizing styling powder. And that is the last thing in this box. So it does say on it over $45 value. I would absolutely concur with that. I did actually see today when I was at Shoppers as well another girl version, so there may be another version out there. But I'm pretty sure it had very, very similar products in it. Maybe just like the scent was different. I know it had another like full-size Dove product in it and all that kind of stuff. So that is it for this video. I hope that you found this really helpful if you're intending on buying this or if you have never heard about it before and now you know. It's a great thing to get every year. It really is. There's a ton of value in here for $12.99. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe if you're new around here, and that is it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.